So in this example, we have a force of 500 Newton exists between two identical point charges separated by a distance of 15 centimeter, and we want to find out the magnitude of these 2 point charges. It says identical point charges, so it means that Q1 and Q2 are equal. So I'm gonna use Coulomb's law. Fe, which is the electrical force, equals to K times Q1 times Q2 divided by R squared. Fe is 500 Newton. K is the Coulomb constant, which is 8.99 times 10 to the power of 9. It is not changing at all. Q1 and Q2 are equal, so I'm going to just have Q squared. And R is the distance between these two charges in terms of meter. So 50 centimeter is equivalent to 0.15 to the power of 2, R squared. So now I need to find out Q. So how can I do that? I'm going to use cross multiplication. 0.15 squared times 500 equals to 8.99 times 10 to the power of 9 times Q squared. 0.15 to the power of 2 times 500. It's going to be 11.25. 8.99 times 10 to the power of 9 Q squared. So Q squared is going to be 11.25 divided by 8.99 times 10 to the power of 9. Remember, when you divide this number by this number, you need to put it in the bracket, 10 to the power of 9 in the bracket with this guy. So that's going to give me 1.25 times 10 to the power of negative 9. And then I need to find out that's Q squared. Q is going to be the square root of this, which is going to be 3.53 times 10 to the power of negative 5 Coulomb. If I want to convert it to microcoulomb, we know 1 Coulomb equivalent to 10 to the power of 6 microcoulomb. So that's going to be times 10 to the power of 6 is going to be 35.3 microcoulomb approximately. That's going to be the charges. Q1 equals to Q2, and it's equal to 35.3 microcoulomb.